It captures automatically, it highlights the whole features, it saves me so much time.
Hi everyone, this is Jackie from GemLightbox. We're here in Miami at the JIS show 2025. I'm here with Rocky from Rocky's Diamond Gallery.
Pleasure so much.
Very nice to see you
Yeah,
here,
hi.
and they've been one of our long-time customers. For anything jewelry and diamond related, please make sure you check out Rocky's Diamond Gallery. And Rocky, you've been using the GemLightbox for quite a while now. What are your
5-6 years? Yeah.
5-6 years? Amazing. And what are your impressions of the GemLightbox, and how has it helped your business as well?
It has evolved a lot. The initial, there was slightly struggle, but I had faith that, I wanted an easier process, and you guys have made it really nice. I mean, the way the newer system that you have, it captures automatically, it highlights the whole features, it saves me so much time. I can integrate it to my point of sale pretty easy, and you guys are smart, you come up with something new all the time. So I enjoy using this product, and my team finds it easy. So that's all it comes down to, time and the easiness of using it.
Amazing. Thanks so much, and we look forward to continuing to work with you.
Yeah, man. Same
See you
here.
at the next show.
Yeah. Take care.